Hello class. For phonics, I want you to go ahead and take out your workbook page. Take out workbook page 130 for letters and sounds and language. Now yesterday would have been workbook page 129, but since we had a test, I decided you could do it if you wanted the extra practice. Some of you may have done it, and if you did, good job, and you would have written your name on the top. Today, please write your name on either on 129 or 130, but somewhere, since today is the first day most of you are doing these pages, write your name. This is what I'm looking at for today. Page 130, letters and sounds. Let's go over the suffix rule at the top. This is our newest suffix rule. When a root word ends with Y, and the suffix begins with E. This is where we do our magic trick. Abracadabra. You change your Y to I before adding the suffix. Now, so far, the only suffix rules we've had are the 1-1-1 rule. If it's one syllable, one vowel, and ends in one consonant, then you double the consonant before adding a suffix that starts with a vowel. The other suffix rule we've had is if a root word ends in E, drop the E and add the suffix that starts with a vowel. This one is only if the suffix starts with an E, like ES or EN or ER or EST. When a root word ends with Y and the suffix begins with an E, abracadabra, change the Y to an I before adding the suffix. Here's their example. Sleepy ends with a Y. Boom! Before we can add ER, we have to change the Y to an I and then add ER. We're going to do these together. Notice that all these root words end in Y. Now, they've already helped you. They've already crossed off the Y. So, story is spelled S-T-O-R-I-E-S. Write that in this line. If I'm going too quickly, you can pause. Lady, to make that ladies, you change the Y to an I. L-A-D-I-E-S. Flies, F-L-I-E-S. You are going to do this row. Number 2, circle the special sounds, mark the vowels. Put a star beside each compound word. Now, they've done this box for you. The compound word in the yellow box was cowboy. They put a star. Find the compound word in the pink box, put a star. Find the compound word in the yellow box, put a star. But all of them circle special sounds and mark vowels. I want to take a look at language, page 130. Now again, 129 was optional yesterday. If you did not do that, write your name on 130 or on the other side. This is a word search. Now they've done one across and one up and down for you. And they put check marks by the ones they already did. Now this will take some patience and some looking, because on some of the word searches, they started the first letter with red, but they did not do that on this one. So that's funny. The first word is red. So you need to find R-E-D, but they gave you a clue. It goes across. So find an R. Here's an R. Is there an E around? Nope. Find the word, oh, there it is, R-E-D. You may circle it. And then put a check by red. Brown and green are also words across. These words are down, yellow. So now we're going to look down for a Y and then look around for the rest of the letters. Here's, oh, here it is, Y-E-L-L-O-W. Circle it and check it off. White, orange, purple, and pink are all down. Number 2, finish the sentence. The gray elephant is huge or small? Huge. And you are going to do this one and this one. Now, right before we leave, I want you to take out a piece of paper or a dry erase board. I want to go over some words and have you write them. These words are all root words and suffixes. All right, here we go. The first word is cooling. Cool is the root word. K. Now, usually words start with a C. I mean, usually when you hear a K sound at the beginning of the word, but obviously kite is and kick all start with K. But the more used you are to memorizing words, you'll just start to be able to know if it's a C or a K. But in this instance, it is a C. Ooh, what special sound made the ooh sound? O-O, ol, L. So the root word was cool and the suffix ing. Next one, flashed. The light flashed yellow. The root word is flash, so listen for the special sounds. Full, sh. That's the root word. And then add the suffix d. F-L-A-S-H-E-D is what you should have written. Let's do one more. Now, in order to do this one correctly, you have to follow our phonics suffix rule. The word is thinnest, but the root word is thin. The suffix starts with a vowel. The root word is thin, which is how many syllables? 1. How many vowels do you hear? I. 1. How many consonants do you hear at the end? Thin. 1. That's our 1, 1, 1 rule. So the root word is spelled T-H-I-N. But before we add the suffix E-S-T, we have to double the consonant. So thinnest is spelled T-H-I-N-N-E-S-T. So you're used to doing these exercises on your paper, but can you do it when it's just a word given to you? That's the next step of learning, and you'll get there. All right, go ahead and work on your workbook pages 130 in both letters and sounds and language. Send me a video when you're done, and that's it for today. Bye-bye.